Hello people and welcome back to GEOFFREY channel. Today we prepared another epic episode full of all sorts of crazy encounters caught on Java's dashcam. Make sure to stick till the end because this one is going to be really awesome. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it.
How can you possibly park that?
When Java that's in front of the camera didn't bother looking at his mirrors, nor using his turn signals. Of course the camera can't read minds, and it nearly came to a crash.
To do your job, you're going to know it because, man, the product. So once you hire these guys.
Camera caught some moments of impatience and self-entitlement on his dashcam. Nowadays, a lot of drivers have a huge issue with obeying traffic laws and regulations, and even taking into consideration the ones around them. This usually leads to a lot of accidents on the road, and it's up to us to better ourselves as drivers and learn from these mistakes. Speeding can only get you in trouble, and if you're distracted by your phone or something else on top of that, nothing good awaits you. This driver came up way too fast behind the camera and he caused a really bad rear-end accident.
Ability, Feast of Blood. Spell, Drain, Blood. Base cost, moderate mana.
We are always urging you to keep a safe distance between yourself and the vehicle in front of you, and there's a reason for it. It only takes one split second for a driver to slam on his brakes because an animal or a pedestrian runs out onto the road, and if you're too close, you cannot react at all.
Stupid fuck! 47 on up. Excuse me, through Allstead. Outbound side is heavy on the day Ryan, 227 for the same reason.
Yeah, you okay?
You have ID problems on the westbound side from US 30. They then lay on to the river there. It just lays where that is. There are a lot of others around. You're down to one lane and you probably try US 30, try US 6. Those are okay options. They're the best we can do for you. That's the best we can do because that's.
Camera was minding his own business here when all of a sudden a crazy Java cat right in front of him and got out of his car to start some trouble. When the camera asked him why was he so mad, he said it was because he didn't allow him to cut in front. What a champ.
in his office. That there were documents pertaining to our nuclear programs, pertaining to our weaknesses and our allies' weaknesses, what makes us vulnerable, clearly a national security risk. What has been proven time and time again when it comes to this particular case is that Donald Trump and all his supporters have been lying to us about what happened. So first, they want to let evidence be classified because he's adamant and he's admitting the fact that he's showing people Mark Meadows' team when he's trying to do
Ooh, cut off. I thought he was speeding. Speeding. He wanna get mad too.
Java didn't notice that there was an unmarked police officer at the traffic lights. He thought that it was okay to run the red since no one was watching, but he was dead wrong here, because an unmarked police officer immediately delivered a dose of karma.
The toll that those parole hearings take on the families of the victims, I don't think...
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and picking up a thing or two based on all the mistakes you saw. After all, why not learn the mistakes of others by observing if you have the opportunity to do so? If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button, because it will really help us out a lot. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.